Are you tired of the restrictions of traditional keyboards? Do you often find your wrists aching after long hours of work, making it hard to continue? Say goodbye to those struggles. Introducing the revolutionary split ergonomic keyboard, Keykrush Orca. Inspired by the elegance and agility of the ocean's apex predator, the Orca, Keykrush Orca combines sleek, flowing lines with biomimetic design to deliver a typing experience like no other. Break free from the limitations of traditional keyboards. The split layout liberates your hands, allowing you to position Orca anywhere on your desk for the most natural and comfortable typing posture. Whether you're a productivity-focused engineer, a creativity-driven artist, or a victory-hungry gaming enthusiast, Keykrush Orca adapts perfectly to your needs. It's designed to support every scenario, empowering your creativity and passion without limits. The unique slow rebound wrist pad provides stable support for your palms, ensuring your wrists stay pressure-free, even during extended use. Orca supports tri-mode connectivity, wired, Bluetooth, and 2.4G modes, letting you effortlessly switch between devices while maintaining peak performance. Featuring a hot-swappable design, Keykrush Orca makes it effortless to explore customized switches, delivering a personalized typing experience tailored to your preferences. The laser-etched keycaps are not only durable but also ensure excellent backlighting, letting you type seamlessly even in low-light settings. With stunning RGB lighting effects, Keykrush Orca lights up your keyboard and ignites your creativity. Whether it's unmatched performance or distinctive aesthetics, Keykrush Orca is a masterpiece you can't miss. It seamlessly blends ergonomic design with efficient functionality, infusing inspiration and energy into every keystroke. Keykrush Orca, more than just a keyboard, it's your gateway to limitless potential.